Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Taco Tuesday. So the culinary expedition is going to be in Honduras today, where I will be preparing a Honduran tradition, Baleadas. Similar to a traditional Mexican taco, but different. Baleadas are a traditional Honduran dish that has been a staple in the country's cuisine for generations. The classic version typically includes refried beans, cheese, and a smear of spread known as mantequilla. Baleadas are more than just a meal. They're a symbol of Honduran resilience, resourcefulness, and community. So, let's get to the mise en place. Okay, we're going to start off with some beef chuck. You can use beef, chicken, or you can actually make it a vegetarian meal. I just happen to have some several ounces of beef chuck in my freezer. Yes. And I'm going to season that with, of course, salt and pepper. But I'm also adding 2 spice blends, Sazon Completia, and an Ancho Pasilla chili powder. Gotta have tortillas. The research is mixed. I've seen used corn and I've seen used flour. I'm a big fan of flour. And as you can see, they are the street taco size. This next ingredient, it's actually multiple. This is the spread that I was talking about just earlier, the mantequilla. This consists of butter, sugar, mayonnaise, vanilla, and cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional. And of course, refried beans. I'm using a mozzarella cheese as a substitute for a queso. I'll be adding some diced onion. And chopped cilantro to finish it off. Okay, like I said, I have some beef chuck. And I'm going to add it to this pan is already hot. Add some salt. And some pepper. Give it a quick stir. Okay, while we were away, I finished up the beef by adding both of the seasoning blends and cooking it to perfection. Now it's time to construct the lovely Baleadas. Let's get to it. Okay, I have everything arranged in the chronological order that this all needs to be put together. As you can see, I have a pan here. It's a dry pan that I'm going to heat up and soften the tortillas. And then I'll build from there. So let's get going. A little hot. So I have some of the spread. I'm just going to take a good old, just a butter knife, spread it on. Got some warmed up refried beans. Some cheese. Then I'm going to add some beef, but I'm only going to put it on one side. Some onion. And the cilantro. And I'm going to attempt to fold it in half. Just a little messy. But here's the first one. I'm going to go away for a little bit. I'm going to build the rest of them. Okay, I have gone ahead and built up and assembled the rest of the Baleadas. And I have to admit, I was licking my fingers while assembling them. And the mantequilla, oh, yummy. So let's see the final presentation. As you can see, I put 3 more together, so I have a total of 4. I had figured out that if I actually put the tortilla in the flat of my hand and build it that way, it worked a lot easier than trying to do it on a plate. Yeah, so here is Honduran Baleadas with the mantequilla. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more at the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, international herb and spice blends, t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.